An allotrope of carbon which has a two-dimensional layered structure in which each carbon atom is linked to three other carbon atoms in the same plane through covalent bond. Pratyush. An allotrope of carbon which looks like a saucer ball. Fullerene. Buckminster. An allotrope of a carbon which contains both single and double bonds. Graphite. CH3CHCHO. Which functional group is present in this compound? Again, CH3CHCHO. Aldehyde functional group CHO. Next, CH3CHO. CH3CHO, Sanu. Aldehyde, very good. CH3CHO like. What is the general formula of alcohol? OH. Aldehyde. General formula of aldehyde. CnH2nO. CnH2nO. In methane, single or double bonds are present? Single. Methane, single bond. An organic acid X is a liquid which often freezes during winter time in cold countries. It has molecular formula C2H4O2. C2H4O2. On warming with ethanol, in the presence of a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid, a compound Y with sweet smell is formed. Identify X and Y. C2H4O2. Ethanoic acid. C2H4O2 means CH3COOH. Carbon 2, hydrogen 4, oxygen 2. Y is ester. Very good. Write the chemical equation to the reaction involved. How represent?
Acetic acid plus ethanoic acid gives
acetic acid plus ethanoic acid.
Ethanol plus ethanoic acid gives ester.
Ethanol plus ethanoic acid. Ester plus water in the presence of sulfuric acid. What is the role of concentrated sulfuric acid?
Catalyst.
Sanu?
It acts as a deoxidizing.
Gaurav? Dehydrating agent. It acts as dehydrating agent. It removes water molecules. Water saturated compound, Gaurav?
The single bond compound. Hydrocarbon compound.
The hydrocarbon in which all the carbon atoms are linked by single bonds. Correct. Formula for propanoic acid.
CH3CH2COOH.
CH3CH2COOH. Very good. Which of the following can show addition reaction? C2H4, C2H6, C2H5OH, CH3, CH2, CH3.
CH4.
C2,
H4. Ethene.
C2H4.
Ethene.
Ethene.
Ethene is other. C2H4 in the presence of nickel or palladium with hydrogen.
Carboxylic acid, aldehyde, alcohol, ketone.
Ketone.
Butanone, ONE, ketone. Functional group is
ONU.
एक बुबू सीधा है ना शेड बेड लड़के हैं. What type of oil should be used for cooking?
Vegetable oil or saturated.
Saturated.
Unsaturated. Vegetable oil.
What is the range of vision of a normal eye?
25
To
centimeter.
infinity.
The near and far point for a normal eye is
Near
25 cm and infinity respectively. Near point is 25 cm,
Infinity.
far point is infinity. The least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about
25
cm.
the change in focal length of eye lens is caused by action of dash. Pupil, ciliary muscle. Good. The human eye can focus objects at different distances by adjusting the focal length of eye lens. This is due to dash. Power of accommodation, farsightedness, nearsightedness, presbyopia.
Power of accommodation.
The human eye forms the image of an object at its dash. Cornea, retina, iris.
Retina.
The human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. In myopic defect, which lens should be used?
Concave.
In hypermetropic defect,
Convex.
bifocal lens, upper part of the lens is
Concave.
meant for long distance or far distance. Lower part of the lens is
Convex.
meant for short distance. While entering a water droplet, the sunlight gets dash. Case base, on a sunny day, Chris looked at the sky through a water fountain, and he was surprised to see a rainbow in the sky. On sunny day, खरा दिन रे Chris कौन कला ना गोटे sky को अनेला through a water fountain. पानी पड़ुची से अनेला से रोटी पानी drop होच water fountain. से कौन देखिला? While entering a water droplet, the sunlight gets refracted only, not refracted internally, or refracted and dispersed. Last option is first refracted and then dispersed while coming out of the water droplet.
First refracted.
Internally reflected. Dispersion.
First refracted and then dispersed while coming out of the water. The location of the sun when Chris observed a rainbow was dash behind him, in front of him, overhead, on his left side. Behind
him.
the phenomenon of light involved in the formation of a rainbow are dash reflection, refraction, and dispersion. Refraction, dispersion, and TIR, total internal reflection. Refraction, dispersion, and scattering. Dispersion, scattering, and total internal reflection.
So last option.
Option B.
Option B, refraction, dispersion, and TIR.
Total literal.
In the formation of rainbow, the role of water droplets present in the water fountain is to act as a dash.
Prism.
Glass slab, convex lens, concave lens, prism.
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 The far point of a eye of a person is 2 meters. The far point of a eye of a person is
2 meters.
the type of lens needed in spectacles to increase the far point to infinity is dash.
Concave.
Very good. To focus the image of a nearby object on the retina of an eye. To focus the image of a nearby object on the retina of an eye, the distance between eye lens and retina is increased, or the distance between eye lens and retina is decreased. The thickness of eye lens is decreased. The thickness of eye lens is increased.
First option. Second option. Distance between the.
No, the thickness of eye lens is increased. Thickness of eye lens is
Increased.
increased means eye lens ର thickness ବଢିବା ମାନେ
ଉପରେ ଗୋଟେ layer ହେଇଛି।
eye lens ର thickness ବଢିବା ମାନେ ତା curvature excessive curvature ହେଇଯିବ ମାନେ focal length କ'ଣ ହେଇଯିବ କମିଯିବନି
କମିଯିବ।
ବୁଝିହେଲା ତାପରେ ଏଠି କ'ଣ ହବ ନା more convex to increase its converging power. In a human eye, the part which allows light to enter into the eye. In the human eye, the part which allows light to the human eye.
UP.
Good. Why does the sky appears to be dark instead of a blue to an astronaut?
Because there is no atmosphere is present in the space.
There is no atmosphere present in the space. So hence no scattering of light takes place in this space. Stars twinkle due to dash.
Atmospheric refraction.
If the object height and image height are same, then the magnification is
One.
in which case magnification is -1. In which case the magnification is -1. If the object is at center of curvature, then the image also formed at center of curvature, then the size of image and object is same. So that magnet and nature of image is real and inverted. Image size inverted हेले negative हो negative by positive आउ center of curvature object रहिले image कोडी हबो center of curvature हबो दियंकर size same रहबो both sides आउ positive negative sign by positive negative -1. If magnification is +1, what is the nature of image? +1 means image is erect, virtual and erect when the object is at center of curvature. The brain part concerned with the memory, will and power. Cerebrum. Testis produces which hormone?
Testosterone.
Ovary,
Estrogen.
thyroid gland,
Thyroxine.
adrenal gland,
Adrenaline.
adrenaline, pancreas, insulin, bile, bile juice from liver, Assassin region. Plants lack the nerve system, but they do coordinate. Plants lack the nerve system, but they do coordinate. Assassin region is it is so because of hormones.
Both A and B are true, and that is the correct explanation of it.
सर बीटा तो ठीक नहीं
It is so because of hormones. तो correct.
अगेन हार्मोन्स
किंतु एटा correct explanation
B.
भी हबो.
अगेन
Right, the correct explanation.
एटा खाइबु माडबु.
Correct explanation.
सुबह हार्मोन पाई होउची.
अगेन
नो पुनी कोन कोइ दु.
Nervous system.
तेरे कोन जानलो plants lack the nerve system means plants nerve tissue का nerve cell नहीं, but they do coordinate. Without nerve system,
They do coordinate.
how it coordinate?
Hormones.
With the help of hormones.
That is true.
Assassin is cytokinins are present in highest concentration in fruits and seeds. Reason is cytokinins are responsible for promoting cell division. Is true. Cytokinins are responsible for present in highest concentration in fruit and seeds. True. But
A option.
why?
Cell division जो है cytokinin.
Cytokines are responsible for promoting cell division.
B double true जी option नहीं.
Assertion is next question. Abscisic acid is responsible for wilting of leaves. Reason is it is a growth inhibitor.
ऑप्शन ए
Option A. Next question. Assertion gustatory receptors detect taste. Reason is olfactory receptors are present in cerebellum.
A is true but I is false.
Option C. A person X suffers from a condition that affects the normal functioning of the pituitary gland. Which of the following is most likely a direct effect of this condition? Insufficiency of iodine. Gaurav. Insufficiency of iodine. Insufficient growth of the body. Irregular heartbeat. Inability to regulate blood sugar.
बी
A person X suffers from a condition that affects the normal functioning of the pituitary gland. Which of the following is most likely a direct effect of this condition? जदि नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग तार अफेक्ट हुए ठीक से काम करे नहीं पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड ताले एक भितर कोटा ताकू प्रॉब्लम रहबो. इनसफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयोडीन ना इरेगुलर हार्टबीट ना इनसफिशिएंट ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी ना इनएबिलिटी टू रेगुलेट ब्लड शुगर. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड ग्रोथ हार्मोन सिक्रेशन करे. पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड यदि ठीक से नॉर्मल फंक्शन न करे ग्रोथ हार्मोन सिक्रेशन ठीक से ହେଇପାରିବନି ତାହେଲେ ଗ୍ରୋଥଟା ଆଫେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ହେବ। ଆଉ ବ୍ଲଡ଼ ସୁଗାର ରିଲେଟେଡ୍ ଆସିଲେ ସେଇଟା ଇନ୍ସୁଲିନ୍ ପାନକ୍ରିଆଜ କଥା ଆସିବ। Which part of the brain is responsible for maintaining posture of the body during riding a bicycle? Center of hearing, smell, memory, sight are located which part of the brain?
Medulla oblongata.
Huh? Hearing, smell, memory, sight.
Medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata.
Hearing, sight, speech, reasoning are cerebrum. Cerebrum. Name the part of the brain that regulate blood pressure and heart. Medulla oblongata. Which component of the nerve system provides a communication between CNS, central nerve system, and other parts of body? Which component of the nerve system provide a communication between central nerve system and other parts of the body? CNS, CN, SN, VN. Cranial nerves, spinal nerves, motor neuron, visceral nerves, motor neuron.